Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you everyone? I think you are well. Alhamdulillah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I have come to you after a long days. Welcome to my English practice session. Today I am going to talk about mosquito. Do you know male mosquito never bite us? Why? How we understand whose mosquitoes bite us? He is uh, male or female? Great. Female mosquitoes bite us for to born their next generation. To born their next generation, female mosquitoes need a specific protein. Their body cannot provide or make this protein. That's why they need our blood. Our blood has this protein. As a result, they take blood for born their next generation. So next time when a mosquito bite you, think about it. He sacrificed his life for his child. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.